For over a decade, Apple insisted that a touchscreen Mac was an ergonomic disaster. Steve Jobs famously declared that reaching for a vertical display would make your arm feel like it was going to fall off. And Craig Federighi spent years arguing that Macs are strictly built for keyboards and trackpads. But in a stunning reversal of company dogma, supply chain leaks now confirm that Apple is preparing to launch a touchscreen, MacBook Ultra, backed by a massive partnership with Samsung. Display: Samsung has reportedly retooled a brand new A6 fabrication plant to produce roughly 2.5 million custom 14-inch and 16-inch Tandem OLED panels, marking the most dramatic hardware shift for the Mac lineup since the transition to Apple Silicon. This visual upgrade represents a generational leap over current mini-LED displays. By stacking 2 layers of light-emitting pixels, the Tandem OLED architecture achieves exceptional peak brightness, pristine color accuracy, and drastically improved burn-in resistance for professional workflows. With static UI elements in dark environments, the true OLED blacks seamlessly blend into the bezels, eliminating letterboxing glow entirely. Rather than forcing users into a compromised tablet interface, touch functionality is designed as a friction-reducing convenience, allowing creators to casually swipe through editing timelines, sign documents, or manage notifications without sacrificing the precision of traditional keyboard shortcuts and trackpad navigation. The overhaul extends far beyond the glass. Apple is reportedly retiring the display notch in favor of a Mac-adapted dynamic island to handle Siri animations, background tasks, and camera indicators, all housed within a significantly thinner chassis, enabled by the thermal efficiency of modern M-series chips. However, cutting-edge hardware comes at a steep cost. Industry insiders project the new flagship will command a premium starting price of around **3, 500 **, with mass production pointing toward an official rollout between late 2026 and early 2027.